Hello, everyone. We are excited to release some new updates to our dashboard. You will now notice that the ticket section of the dashboard has some new visual enhancements. Additionally, we are now merging account change forms into tickets. These changes dramatically improve the process of submitting a merchant account change request, making it far easier and significantly more streamlined. Furthermore, we have included Plaid into our dashboard to utilize with applications and account changes. Plaid is a name many of us will recognize, but for those that do not, their services provide a number of bank and KYC verification tools. We are utilizing this as another layer that can be enabled as part of the application process and is utilized as a piece of the account changes. In the application process, Plaid may be enabled at the campaign level. If enabled, there is the option of sending a dashboard email to the manager and controller marked on an application to verify via Plaid. This could speed up underwriting times. Additionally, if a campaign has Plaid enabled and a prospective acquiring client is filling out an application, then they have the option to verify their banking information if they so choose. A new layout for tickets comes with this release. The goal is to add more visibility to the merchant details when responding to or working a ticket. Visual changes also include a chat-style thread with communication between staff, partners, and merchant while retaining the same hide and display functionality. Now you will find tabs to select between all messages, public replies, which are visible to the merchant, internal notes, which are private replies between staff and partners, and a section to view attachment uploads in the ticket thread. To update the ticket status, select the status on the top right, or if wanting to close the ticket, there is a close button included in the top right corner. Our newest feature is something called Account Changes. This can be located in the ticket section. Account changes allow a principal signer to submit an account change request from their dashboard login and electronically sign. They are able to select from two types of requests, and all they have to do is select account change, and then can select either bank account update or company information update. Now, as partners, you also have the option for pricing update, though your merchants will not. In the case of a bank account change, the system will try to verify the submission and may ask for additional information. We have implemented Plaid as part of the request if the system detects additional information is needed. This speeds up the review process. However, if the user opts out of Plaid or is unsuccessful in connecting, they may upload supporting documents for a manual review. Now, partners, like I said, also can request merchant account changes through our ticketing system. When requesting an account change, you may either upload a signed account change form or can send the merchant a confirmation email via the account change request. Once the confirmation has been completed for the requested change, either with an uploaded signed form or the merchant's electronic signature, the change request will be applied systematically or flagged for a manual review. Now, in order to view the status of an account change request, you can click into Support, then Account Changes, or just toggle between all tickets and account changes in the Tickets section. The status of each account change request is shown here, and if you see the needs confirmation, that simply means that the merchant still needs to sign. If you have any additional questions or want more information on the ticketing section or this new account changes section, you can find more information by clicking the Knowledge tab under the Support tab, which will take you to find more information on account changes or the tickets section here.